Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, what we're gonna do is we will do unboxing because I have this new AirPods, and actually I bought this in Algani for only 54 KD. So this one is the AirPods 2. Yes, but this one, it has AirPods with charging case. So but this is AirPods, so I already removed the box, the plastic, because I was so excited to use this actually. But I just want to share with you guys what's inside of this box. So without further ado guys, so let's start. So this one is the AirPods 2. As you can see from the box itself, it has an embossed picture, and it was written here that it is compatible with iOS device, Apple Watch, or Mac, or with the latest software. So this one is AirPods with charging case, designed by Apple in California and made in China. So it was written here all the specific serial number here, and this one, it says here, is Apple Distribution International, Holy Hill International Estate, Cork, Ireland. So okay guys, let's start. So we will open this box with this one. As you can see, what's inside. Yeah, so what's inside is the instruction manual here, designed by Apple in California. So these are the instructions on how to use this. It shows here how to connect for your mobile phones or your iOS device. So this one is written in English, so you can fully understand on how to connect this one. But it has also translated in other language, as you can see. So meaning to say that you can use it with other Apple device like Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. So that's the first instruction, and these are the others. I think this one is written in it was written in English also, but there's other I think this is the English manual, also translated into Arabic. So these are the instructions. So here now, as you can see, the AirPods itself, it is still still wrapped in the plastic. So let's take this. There you go. So this is the AirPods. Yeah, and inside there is a cable for connection, for charging. So that's it. It shows here on how to connect in the cable wire. So from the AirPods itself, let's start. Yeah. It's hard to remove. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, I want to help you to see it more. So this is the AirPods. Well, it reminds me for the what else one, dental floss. It's almost the same, but it's nice. It has a sleek design. And so now that here's the AirPods, and so while we open it, so this is what's inside. The light that the green light is on, and I think it's looking for to connect for the Bluetooth. Once you open it like that, wow, see, once you open it, it will look for something to connect for any iOS and like that. And see, it has a good snap. And as you can see, this is there's a button here, and this button is for the Bluetooth. Yeah, and this side, as you can see, this is where you connect the cable while charging it. And so that's it. So very nice. This is where you can talk while you will put in your ear. And yeah, and this is the other one. This is for, what is it, this is for the left, and this is for the right. This is for the right. It is written here. Yeah. So if you will if this is low bat or low battery, it will become red. The green light will be red, and meaning to say that you need to charge. And I think this is easy to use. It says here, design Apple in California, assembled in China. So there you go, guys. I think we need to connect this to the cable so we can see if this is charging. My charger for my iPhone, so let's gonna try. Although I have here the new one, so I didn't open this, so let's try if it's gonna work. I don't know, I think because once you charge it, I think there's a light in here, but I don't know if this is the one or the other one, which is the wireless. But see, as you can see, wait, I'm gonna show you guys. So you will see the red light on, meaning that it is charging, right? Because when you remove the charger, it becomes green. So once you charge it again, it will become red. I'm not sure. Let's try to close the light. There you go. As you can see, yeah. So that's it, guys. This one will be really helpful if you're a very busy person, or if you're gonna use it mostly outside. This is very helpful for you. So that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys, and I gave you an idea on what's inside or how to use these AirPods. Oh. So please click like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you next time, guys. Adios.